Hello, this is Corey with Action Box Breaks. We're about to do ID number 0465, 2015 Leaf Best of Football 1 box break random divisions, 8 total spots. Going to roll the die and then we're going to go ahead and put you in the little spreadsheet right over there. I'm going to go ahead and disappear for a moment. Good luck, guys. Gonna roll these 2 dice to see how many times we run the randomizer. Here we go. 7 times. We get 7 a lot. Lucky number 7 on the randomizer. Lydia, Alfredo for 2, Andrew, Jason for 2, Saf for 2. Here we go. Good luck, everyone, in the break. 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final time. Lucky number 7. Saf holding up the top couple spots. Jason B, you're at the bottom. Copy and paste that into our divisional spreadsheet as always. And those are your assignments. If you happen to be in the room and the other person's in the room you'd like to trade, feel free to do so. Otherwise, in a few moments, we will RIP it. At this point, AFC East, Saf. AFC North, Saf. AFC South, Jason B. AFC West, Alfredo. NFC East, Andrew. NFC North, Lydia, Big Hit Blackwell. NFC South, Alfredo. And NFC West, Jason. Jason, if you're listening, I don't think you're in the room right now, but, you get a Seahawks card, you can talk to me. Anybody that's in the room want to trade? I think I'm not sure who's even in the room. I'll give it a moment, and then we will go. Good luck, guys. And thanks, as always, for getting in. Hope we can pull you a boom monster. And if you see the action packs, the little bomb guy on the little white bomb, my son and I decided, he's 9, that it's kind of like a Pokemon. He's a boom monster, and his name is Rupert. And I picked Rupert because my son hates that name, and I think that's funny. So he's Rupert the Boom Monster. ActionBoxBreaks.com mascot. Any trades? Any trades? If not, we will RIP it. No trades? All right. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Just the microphone and time to get busy. RIP. Rest in peace, box. Rest in peace. And bear us some boom monsters. Come on. All right, no trades, no trades. First up, we have Lenticular Red, Amir Abdullah. Amir Abdullah, Detroit Lions. Detroit Lions. NFC North. NFC North, Lydia, Big Hit Blackwell. That one's yours. Next up, we have Matt Jones. Matt Jones, red lenticular. Matt Jones is Washington Redskins, unless I'm mistaken. Washington Redskins. NFC East, Andrew W. There you go. And the hit we've all been waiting for. Let's see what it is. I don't know. This is a loose box. Wasn't out of a case. What in the... Really? This is 2014 Topps 5-Star Jumbo Patch Auto 9 with the 10 auto of Johnny Rehab, Johnny Football. Now, if somehow we can make a comeback, this would be sweet, because this is numbered 1 of 5. So there was a point in time where this was a huge card. This is a 5-star rainbow auto, numbered 1 of 5. Just unfortunately, it is of Johnny Manziel, so I'm not sure when they started packing this product. However, possibly, if something happens better than what's going on now, that could be a huge hit for the Browns. AFC North, Sath, Last Spot Mojo, the Johnny Football, Johnny Rehab. There you go. Hopefully he can come back, because that card you might want to set aside, because that could be huge. Right now, not so much. And that is the break.